All right, today I'm taking a look at the WiMiUS W6 video projector. Look at that. So it actually comes with its own little backpack. It's kind of cool. Okay. Well, all kinds of stuff. So this actually comes with its own cable. So we've got an RCA adapter right here. So this is going to be good for old VCRs or Nintendo Wii's and that kind of thing. And we have RCA to RCA. We've got the power plug, HDMI, remote, and it looks like some cleaning swabs and a little screwdriver. Oh, and a little clean cloth. So we've got a pocket here. Big instruction booklet. Full color too. That's really nice. There we go. So that's the guy. So in the top corner we got these operating buttons. Exhaust on the side. Exhaust on this side, and this might be a speaker. We got the power port, 2 USBs, 2 HDMIs, audio, video, and headphones. So if you want to watch in peace, you can do that. Got a lens cover. Wow, that is nice looking. Check that out. Up on the top, we got focus, Keystone, and I believe this is the IR sensor for the remote. The remote takes, it looks like 2 AAA batteries, and we got all the projector functions you should need. And it does have a mute button on here, so it should have a speaker. So if you just want to throw this thing up there quick to watch something, you can do that. So for adjusting the angle, if you want to adjust up and down, there's a little wheel right here. So you can just loosen that up, and this foot will drop down. And I also found that this in the back is actually the Keystone, and this is the focus. And there we go. So this is the Keystone, so you can move it up and down to get you that straight angle that you want, depending on how your screen is oriented. And it's, I mean, this thing's nice and bright. This looks real crisp. There we go. Yeah, that's super sharp, nice and bright. This is one of the best projectors I've tried. It does make a little noise. There is a fan. Uh-oh, my computer went to sleep. Okay, so there is a fan. It does make a little noise. So if you're right next to it, you'll definitely be able to hear it. You can get used to it, or if it's, if it's not right next to you, then it's going to be perfectly fine. But other than that, this is a really nice projector. Like the output, the image that it actually puts out, that's fantastic. You can see I can move the mouse around, and it's nice and fast. Like when I move the mouse around, it is super responsive, so I could definitely play games on this. So yeah, overall, great little projector.